Now let's look at how Google indexes the site. And what I'm doing right here for people watching is I'm basically using what's called a search operator. The way that Google works, when you search Google, you're not searching the entire web. So you've heard of like the dark web before, Silk Road, all these places where really bad things are happening. Google does not index that. People don't want it to be indexed on Google. So if you think about it, Google is like the index at the back of a textbook. And this right here, I'm telling Google, hey, I only want to see what you've indexed related to this site, milkhousegifts.com. So for us, what we're seeing is 17 results. And then I can break down your different pages, your contact, home, about, catalog, your blog, and then certain product pages, pizza cutter, bath soap, candle, flag cutting board, have a little faith. So, and then I can go to the next page too. But one thing that we want to make sure we're doing, so with Squarespace, I know that by default, your website title, which is Milk House Gifts, they can add it on as an addendum to each of the different pages, right? Okay. That's totally fine. The good thing is you have a short business name, so it's not taking up a lot of characters. But the opportunity that you have here is that you have about 60 to 80 characters that you can use for a page title. Okay. So we want to say like custom gifts or thoughtful gifts or homemade gifts, blah, 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 whatever it is, Milk House Gifts. Okay. So I would want to change the page title for the homepage and then update all of these too, about our small business or about our gift line or whatever it is, about our custom gift business, Milk House Gifts. So okay. This is where what you're going to do to give you an idea of, and I'm just shooting off the top of my head, but we might go to g.co/trends. And this is where we could look for, let's say,
Taylor Swift.
Taylor Swift, and that's always on there. Barbecue gifts, let's just say. So we can see if something with Google Trends, we see the relative popularity. This is in the United States, which you're servicing everywhere, but let's just bring it local to Boston. So it doesn't even have enough. So let's just say gift ideas. So gift ideas versus, let's say, Father's Day gift versus
gifts for him, they said was popular.
Gifts for him. There you go.
Or guess not.
But that's because, well, let's see if I take out ideas because that's very general. Then let's see. Gifts for him. Okay. Gifts for dad. How about realtor gifts? Nope, that's flatlined. See, so the cool thing is we can compare all these different terms. You can get an idea. So February 7th through the 13th, Valentine's Day, gifts for him was huge, right? How about housewarming gift?
Another big one right now should be wedding gifts.
Wedding gifts.
I would think.
So there we go. Let's get rid of gifts for him because it has that anomaly. So now we're seeing a little bit more. You can actually see here wedding gifts 27. So that's growing. It's on an uptrend. So one of your pages could just be you take all your products, put it into a wedding gifts category, and now you've got a page for wedding gifts.
Got it. Okay.
And that's where I would go back to the Google site search. Can't see it. And I would see one of these pages saying wedding gift ideas or wedding gifts, Milk House Gifts.